I'm going to show you my dog Dallas. Let's go. Well, Dallas, say hi. Oh, Dallas, Dallas, come on. We are doing her morning routine. This is what she does every morning. Come on, Dallas. Nope. She goes down. Oh, let me clean up my camera. Sort of a mess. Sorry about that. Didn't make it any better. It actually sort of made it worse. Sorry, this video sucks. Oh, that's my cat. Her name is Sally. Her name is Dallas. Ah. And then she gets some of these. She gets these. Just give her a few. See how small they are, though. That's why I give her a few. And she eats them. Let's clean that. Just try one more time to clean my camera. Okay, I'll clean it once I'm done with the video. So, there's my dog.